All right, folks, so this is Unit 4, Lesson 3, and we are talking about linear equations in X. In X just means that X is the variable in the equation. So let's take a look here. First of all, yesterday we talked a little bit about equations versus expressions, and I told you that we would use expressions to build equations today, and that's exactly what we're going to do. When you have an equation, what you basically have is you have two expressions, the left side and the right side. And when those two sides are equivalent in value, then you have an equation. Okay, so this side equals that side. Pretty simple. Let's take a look at these. Which of the following are true equations? Let's circle the ones. In fact, why don't you pause the video and why don't you go ahead and circle the ones that you think are true equations? And I'm going to do the same thing. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Yep, that's true, because 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 is on the other side. 6 plus 5 equals 16. Nope, that's not true. 21 minus 6 is 15. Yep, that's true. 6 minus 2 is 1. Nope, that's not true. Okay. But when we moved, so it's really easy to tell when all you have is numbers. It's really easy to tell if the equations are true or not. But as soon as I start introducing variables, especially if the thing is complicated, then it's a lot harder to tell. 4 plus 15x equals 49. Is that a true equation or not? It's kind of hard to tell. In fact, as it turns out, it is a true equation, but only in one specific case. For example, let's say I were to put in 0 for x. Well, that would be 4 plus 15 times 0. 15 times 0 is 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 equals 49. That's not true. So we know that when x is 0, this is not a true statement, a true equation. But what about if x is 2? Would that make it a true statement? Well, in order to figure that out, all we're going to do is we're going to substitute in 2 where we see an x, and we're going to see if that gives us a true statement. So 15 times 2 is 30, so we're basically doing order of operations now. It's 49. And 4 plus 30 is 34. Does 34 equal 49? No. The equation is not true. If x equals 2. All right, what about if x equals 3? Go back to the original. Let's try plugging in 3 for x. So I've got 4 plus 15 times 3 is 45. Does that equal 49? 4 plus 45 is 49. This works out. We found it. So yes, x equals 3 is a, and this is important, solution to the equation because it makes the equation true. Okay? So we're working towards solutions. Now, obviously, we want to get to a point where we don't have to just guess and check numbers, but this skill of deciding whether or not a number is solution is really, really, really important as we move into solving equations, which is what we're going to do. So the solution to a linear equation is the value of the variable, x, y, whatever it is, that makes the equation true. And that's really, really important. It's the value of the variable that makes the equation true. Okay?